In this lesson, we'll create a form using an app from the App Store called Paperform. This is the form your clients will fill out with their business information. You have the freedom to design it however you'd like. You can also choose where it will live, whether it's on your company's website or just a standalone link that you send out to your clients during onboarding. If you'd like, you can even set up a template chooser, like the one shown on the left side of the screen, so clients can pick the template that works best for them. Just keep in mind that you'll need to repeat the steps in this course to create a Zapier workflow for every template. Let's start building our form. I'm going to open the App Store from the side panel and look up an app called Paperform. Paperform is a platform that allows us to create customizable forms and can integrate with other apps and tools, such as Zapier, to help us automate our workflows. And for the site creation workflow we're going to build in this course, an Essentials plan is sufficient, but I'm going to upgrade to the Pro plan in case I want to use some of Paperform's advanced functionality in the future. Once Paperform has been added to the site, feel free to explore Paperform's templates or click on Create a Form to start from scratch. Here's Paperform's editor, where we'll be creating our intake form. Paperform is easy to use and very straightforward, so we won't be doing a full step-by-step walkthrough. But don't worry, for anyone who wants a more in-depth overview, we'll share a link to Paperform's support documentation. Now, to build the form, we'll need access to the content library of the site we connected to data in the previous lesson. Remember all the fields and images we set up and connected last time? For every field that you want to dynamically populate, you'll need to create a corresponding field in the form. Let's start out with the business information section. I'm going to work my way from top to bottom and start by requesting the business name. You'll notice that within Paperform, you have the ability to select the data type you expect the client to reply with. So for the business logo, I can request it be an image type. Please visit each section of the content library, business info, business text, and business images, and make sure to create a question for each field that was connected to an item in the template. You'll notice that you can customize the form's appearance in Paperform as well. Again, we will include a link to Paperform's Help Center. As a suggestion, if this is a form you will have your clients fill out, then I recommend adding some screenshots to the form itself, letting your clients know what area of the site they're filling out. When you're finished, please make sure your changes have been saved and click Publish. Next, head on over to the editor to add our form to the site. When you open the Widgets panel on the left, notice that Paperform has been added as a widget for you to use. I'm going to add it to the site as a button. And there we go. Our form is all set up. At this point, we're not quite done with our solution. Next, we need to make sure the data your clients submit through the form gets added to the content library and pushed onto the site as content. We'll use Zapier to handle this in the next lesson.